We often hear about cutting carbs for weight loss or better health, but not all carbs are created equal. There's one secret carb that deserves a place of honor on your plate: fiber. Fiber, found in plant-based foods, is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. While this might sound like a bad thing, it's actually what makes fiber so incredible. Unlike sugars and starches that are quickly broken down and absorbed, fiber travels through your digestive system mostly intact. This journey through your gut is where the magic happens. Fiber acts like a gentle scrubber, sweeping through your intestines and keeping things running smoothly. But its benefits extend far beyond digestion. Fiber is a crucial nutrient that helps control blood sugar, supports heart health, and may even play a role in preventing certain cancers. It's time to unlock the secret power of fiber and discover how it can revolutionize your health. To understand the full potential of fiber, we need to delve into the fascinating world of your gut microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms collectively known as your microbiome. These tiny residents play a crucial role in your overall health, influencing everything from digestion and immunity to your mood and metabolism. And guess what their favorite food is? You got it, fiber. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. As these good bacteria feast on fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Butyrate is a rockstar nutrient for your gut lining, helping to reduce inflammation and maintain a healthy gut barrier. A healthy gut microbiome, fueled by fiber, is the cornerstone of overall well-being. It's a symbiotic relationship where fiber nourishes your gut bacteria, and in turn, they support your health in countless ways. Fiber benefits your health by protecting against chronic diseases and promoting well-being. Let's explore key areas where fiber shines. Diabetes. Management. Fiber slows sugar absorption, regulating blood sugar levels and reducing insulin spikes. This is crucial for those with diabetes or at risk. Heart health. Fiber binds to cholesterol, preventing absorption into your bloodstream. This lowers LDL cholesterol, reducing heart disease risk. Digestive health. Fiber maintains a healthy digestive system. It prevents constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Weight management. Fiber promotes fullness, regulating appetite and reducing calorie intake. Fiber is invaluable for weight management and maintaining a healthy weight. Section 4, Soluble versus Insoluble Fiber, understanding the dynamic duo. Fiber isn't a one-size-fits-all nutrient. It comes in two main types, soluble and insoluble, each with its unique properties and health benefits. Understanding the difference between the two can help you make informed choices to optimize your fiber intake. This type of fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance in your digestive system. This gel helps slow down digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and lower cholesterol. Oats, beans, lentils, apples, pears, citrus fruits, flax seeds, chia seeds. Unlike its soluble counterpart, insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve in water. Instead, it adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Whole grains, wheat bran, brown rice, nuts, seeds, vegetables, especially leafy greens, fruits with edible peels. Both soluble and insoluble fibers are essential for optimal health. Aim to include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your diet to reap the benefits of both types. Embrace the power of fiber. Fuel your body with goodness. Start by gradually increasing your fiber intake to 25 to 30 grams daily. Listen to your body to avoid digestive discomfort. Choose high-fiber breakfast options like oatmeal or whole-grain cereal with berries. Swap refined grains for whole-grain alternatives. Make fruits and vegetables the stars of your meals. Pay attention to the fiber content of packaged foods. Gradual changes can lead to lasting improvements in your health. Section 6, a final word, your journey to a healthier you. In a world obsessed with cutting carbs, fiber stands out as the unsung hero of a healthy diet. It's the secret carb that nourishes your gut, regulates your blood sugar, protects your heart, and keeps your digestive system humming along happily. Embrace the power of fiber and embark on a journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by adding more fiber-rich foods to your plate today and experience the transformative benefits of this nutritional powerhouse. This is just the beginning of your fiber adventure. There's a whole world of delicious and nutritious fiber-rich foods waiting to be discovered. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life.